Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Unplug the Xbox One S and wait at least 10 minutes to discharge caps. Make sure you're on an ESD-safe surface and wearing a wrist strap so static won't damage the board. Remove external screws with Torx T8/T10, pry the case open with a spudger, and peel flex cables carefully. Once the board is exposed, note connector orientations and take photos for reference. These images will guide reassembly and prevent wrong cable routing. You now focus on the HDMI assembly. Secure the motherboard so it won't flex while you work. Apply flux and heat each solder pad with a soldering iron, using braid to remove old solder. Remove any retaining screws or shield tabs. Once free, lift the port straight up. Position the replacement precisely, tack solder corner pads to hold alignment, then solder each pad cleanly. Make sure there are no bridges once solid. Clean flux residue and check mechanical fit to avoid stress on joints. You finish by reversing disassembly. Reattach cables in the exact orientation from your reference photos, receipt shields and screws, and close the case. Power up the console with a known good HDMI cable and a TV on the correct input to verify video and audio. Test a few resolutions. If you get no signal, make sure the port's ground tabs are soldered, reflow suspicious joints, inspect for torn traces, and try another HDMI cable. This one troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.